Using your personal business cards to run your business, that might work for now, but it's going to wreck your financial future. If you want to build a real business, then you're going to need to build real business credit. Hi, my name is Tina Tran, and today I'm going to show you the basics of business credit, how to build it, and why it matters. First, let's break down the difference between personal credit and business credit. So for personal credit, this is tied to your social security number, and it affects your credit score, which ultimately affects your ability to get car loans, mortgages, etc. Higher balances on your personal credit typically means a lower score, and this will affect your ability to borrow in the future. Business credit, on the other hand, is tied to your EIN, and this builds your business's reputation with lenders. Using business credit lets you separate your finances and also protects your personal credit score. Now, this matters because if your business tanks while you're using your personal credit, then it's going to take a hit on your credit score and you'll be held liable to pay back any debts that you may have within your business. Now, if you are using business credit, then the risk will be isolated and you won't have to worry about your personal assets being held liable. Now, here's why you should build your business credit earlier rather than later. With business credit, you could get better loan terms and higher limits. It also shows lenders that you're reliable, trustworthy, and a legit business. Essentially, this is going to keep your personal liability low. And if you ever want to scale or expand, let's say you're hiring on new people, getting a warehouse, getting new inventory, or whatever it is, it's absolutely crucial to have business credit so that you have enough money to actually make these moves. Now, here's how you could start building your business credit. First, you're going to have to properly register your business. This could be a LLC, a corporation. Just make sure that you're using your EIN and not your social security number. Second, you're going to want to open up a business bank account. Third, you're going to need to get a DUNS number, and you can get this for free from Dun & Bradstreet. This will help you establish your business's credit worthiness with lenders, vendors, and suppliers. Fourth, you're going to need to apply for Net 30 vendor accounts with places like Uline, Quill, or any other vendors that you might be using. This is a type of trade credit with vendors. You're just going to need to make sure that you're paying on time and within 30 days. This is a short-term and investment-free credit, which will give you some flexibility when it comes to managing your cash flow. Fifth, you're going to need to get your business credit card. And with that, 6 is going to be very obvious, which is making sure that you are consistent in making on-time payments. Last but not least is number 7, which is making sure that you are monitoring your business credit score. Now, you could do this through whatever banking app that you're using with the bank that you have for your business, or you could use NAV or Credit Signal. Now, how do you get business loans? Well, that typically requires a business plan, revenue history, or good business credit. If your business credit is strong, you're able to get larger amounts in loans and better interest rates. Now, with this, you could take out equipment loans, lines of credit, or SBA loans. Now, SBA loans are business loans offered by private lenders, but are partially guaranteed by the U.S. Small Business Administration, or the SBA. And SBA loans could be used for a wide range of business needs. This includes startup costs, working capital, purchasing inventory or equipment, acquiring real estate, refinancing existing business debt, and lastly, business acquisitions or purchasing other businesses. If you found any of these tips helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe so we could bring you more videos like this. And please check out the link below for our free ultimate checklist. This will give you all the information from starting, growing, and expanding your own event rental business. And if you're interested in starting your own business, whether it's a service business or a rental business, please also check out the link in the description for a free demo of our More Pro software today. This will help you with everything from booking, quoting, inventory management. Whatever it is, it's in the software, so please check it out in the link below. Bye, guys.